And welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of crude has moved in the last week and how the price of crude can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of crude after 2022, we have seen there is a continuous downfall, as you can see looking at this particular chart. Okay, it has already made a half around $9.9. Keep that in mind. And before that, if you see, there is a pattern forming that you have to understand, and this pattern is continuously on the upside. After the pandemic, or when the pandemic started, we have seen the price of crude went to negative, and when it started recovering, it was continuously moving upside. Okay, and the trend was moving upside, but there is a huge volatility we have seen in the price of crude. Okay, and with this volatility we have seen there is a pattern forming, and what this pattern says, that whenever it hit its previous high, we have seen a sharp fall has come. Okay, and what this sharp fall says, that whenever hit its previous high, we have seen a sharp fall comes, and this sharp fall is from 10, 20, 50 to even 100%. We have seen this fall has come. After that, a swing has formed, that is where it goes upside. A swing has formed, that is where it goes upside. Okay, and now if you look at this particular chart, you can see clearly that one created this pattern for the sixth time, but it didn't sustain, and from there it went down. Okay, so before we move ahead and explain you where the price of crude can move in the next week, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link I have given in the description. You can join that too. See, you can see this is the flag pattern which has formed, and that is where we have seen a narrow pattern was forming, and chances was very high that once started moving above this particular zone. So once this trend line breaks, we can see a sharp fall come, or if it breaks, this would have break an upside, so probability of going further upside we could have seen. Now suppose if the price sustain this particular level, so what we can see, chances are high that it can go further low, because a trend since first week of June of 2022 we have seen there is a continuous downfall. Till the time it is not sustaining above a level of $85, we will not see it can go further upside, or above a level of 100 or 90, or till the time it is not crossing a level of $77, we will not say that it can go and touch a level of 85. Okay, now it is trading at a level of 71.83, so chances are very high. Suppose if this level didn't sustain, we can see it can go further down, and chances of going towards a level of around 70.92 is there. Okay, suppose if the price fall below that particular level, then chances of going below a level of $70.6 is there, and if that level didn't sustain, then yes, a probability of crossing a level of 69.89 is there. 69.89 is already being a weak support, so chances are very high it can go further low, and a probability of touching $66.9 is there. Okay, and if the price fall below that particular level, then we can see it can go further down, and a probability of going towards $68.11 is there. Okay, and suppose if the price fall below $68.11, then yes, a chances of going towards a level of around 65.41 is there, and if that level didn't sustain, then yes, a probability of going towards 62.59 is there. Okay, and if the price fall below that particular level, then yes, a probability of going towards a level of 59.67 is there. So you have to keep that in mind. Once started falling below a level of 68, chances of touching 65.41 is there. From there we can see a level of 62.59, and then we can see a level of 59.67, and if the fall below this level, then we can see it can go further down. But if you look at this particular trend, what you can see, that it is moving in this zone. As soon as break it upside, that means if it breaks above this particular zone, then only we can see it can go further upside, or if this zone breaks downside, then we can see it can move further low. Suppose if the price sustain, because market is always uncertain, you cannot say that the market will go sharp rise or sharp fall. Till the time there is no big event is coming, we will not see that there will be a sharp fall or a sharp rise. Okay, suppose if the price sustain this particular level, yes, chances are very high if this level sustain, we can see it can go towards a level of $73.31, and if that level move further upside, then we can see it can touch a level of $74.67. Okay, suppose if the price sustain above this particular zone, then yes, a probability of going towards a level of 75.77 is there, and if that level goes further high, then yes, we can see it can touch a level of $76.61. Okay, and if the price sustain above $76.61, then we can see it can touch a level of around $78.03. Okay, and suppose if the price sustain above that particular zone, then we can see it can go further upside, and a probability of going towards 80.36 is there, and from there we can see a level of 80.96. okay, so once it sustain above 80.96, then yes, a probability of going further upside is there, and then we can see a level of $82.76, and if that level sustain, it can cross that particular zone and can touch a level of $83.9. okay, this $83.9 is already being tested twice, so chances are very high we can see it can go further upside, and a higher chances of going towards 86.8 is there. 86.8 is already being a weak support, so you have to understand, once the price started moving above the level of 85.5, chances of going further upside is there. There is a zone breakout is there, and a probability of going further upside is there. Then we can see it can cross a level of around 91 if the price sustain above this level, and that is also being a weak resistance, so chances are very high it can cross that particular zone, and a chances of touching a level of 93.78 is there. 93.78 is there, which is already being a weak resistance again, and then yes, a probability of going towards a level of around 97.65 is there. Okay, and a probability that it can go further upside, and if you can see if the price sustaining or coming close to a level of 91, then yes, a probability of going further upside we can see for the price of crude. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description.